Hi and welcome back to my channel. I must start off by saying thank you to all my new subscribers to my channel. And if you're watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and it doesn't cost you anything. It'll help my channel grow. Today we're taking a look at these EFE rail wagons that I got. I got them from the Model Centre. And these three are all factory weathered. So I'll have a look at the factory weathering that's on these models. That's the numbers there. For this one, I paid £35.96. And for these two, it's the same price. I paid £33.56 each. So a decent saving in their sale. Right, I'll get them out the box now and we'll have a look at them. And this one I'm looking at just now is E87002. And you get a goodie bag that comes with them. There's 2 pipes there and some chain links you can fit. I say these are very factory weathered. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry about that. Changing the weather. It's freezing cold outside even though it's sunny today. Yeah, the factory weathering isn't brilliant. Like really, they could do with some more weathering inside there, really. I'll just tip it over so you can see the underside. And the top down view. Right, I'll get this put on the track and get the next one out. And it's nice free wheel in there. No restrictions at all. Nice and smooth. And this one is the E87025. Again, it's factory weathered. It's a bit more weathering on the ends of this one compared with the last one. The buffers could have done with a little bit more weathering on the ends. I'll have to touch that up myself. They're not sprung buffers. I think these would be ideal for putting the Hornby magnetic couplings. To couple these all together. Make it a lot easier to take them apart and running a long rake. As I said, there's more weathering on the inside of this one compared with the last one. These is down as light weathering from the factory. I don't like the ones that's heavy weathered from the factory because they just look black to me, totally black. At least these ones you got a bit of detail that you can see stuff on. Right, I'll get this one put on the track. And again, it's free and easy movement. Right, on to the third one. And this one is E87026. Again, factory weathered. This one's got a little bit less weathering on the ends again. Suppose they all have to look different, because that's what life really is. Everything's different. Nothing's ever the same. Well, it shouldn't be anyway in nature. quite a few individual little parts on these, and you can read all the writing. Roof cover and unloading. Door must be shut and locked prior to running. And that must be in French there. Is it French or is it Spanish? I don't know. Maybe Spanish. Let's see a little bit less weathering on the ends of these ones. Inside there looks very clean. So I might have to touch that up with some additional weathering there. It looks too clean, that. It's a really sunny day outside today, so I apologise for the shadows that appear from where the camera is. Right, put this one on the track now. Again, free movement. When you try the bogies and you try turning the wheels without being on the track, they are stiff in some places from the paint that's been put on them. But when you get them on the track, they're all no bother. So you've got all three together. The difference mainly is the numbers, running numbers. I purchased one of these before, so I have 4 of the factory weathered ones now. So it makes a decent rake. Okay, thank you very much for watching. And as I said earlier, if you're watching this video, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Also hit the icon button, the bell, so then you'll get notification of new videos that I post up. So I'll say bye for now, and everyone take care, and hope to see you in my next video. So bye for now.